Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So the date is 20th August and the time is 3:30. So today we'll continue with our discussion of our previous day. Our stock of analysis was Ashokleyland. Okay. So we'll come to that chart. And yesterday, for those who have not seen the video of stock analysis, what I told yesterday, I'll just repeat it and start for the day. Yesterday I said my stock on radar was Ashokleyland. Okay, yesterday the stock on a 15-minute chart, Ashokleyland stock would look like this. Okay, what I could see over here is here we can see resistance, 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 and here when we draw a trend line, we see it passing through its support, support, and support. And yesterday this was my stock for the day. I said that because here we do see a bullish candle, here we see stock going through its support line, here we see resistance, and I said in a 15-minute chart my entry will be at when the stock will break its resistance at a longer time frame. We'll take entry in a 3-minute chart. Okay, so this was the point which we decided to take the entry as per our analysis. We do have three reasons: it being at its support point, bullish candle, and once it breaks the rejection, that is, it is within a zone now. Once it breaks this, we'll take off buying position. Even if it falls down, we won't take for a shorting position because the trend is up. Okay, so we have followed the trend. We see bullish candle over here, we feel rejections over here. Once it breaks this point, we'll definitely take a entry. So let's see what happened early in the morning. I'll first erase this and then we'll see what happened early in the morning. This was the chart which looked like in look 19th August up to 3:30. Okay, then after that I'll be moving a bit to the cursor. Okay, so first candle which happened over here is a good green candle, but we have not decided to take our entry. Our point of entry will be after this breakout. Okay, and here we do get that breakout, we do get good volume of here, good, which shows buyers interest at the breakout point. So here we had many times rejections over here, and after that rejections what we see is breakout over here. Okay, so at this point I decided to take entry. So let's take a long position over here. So at this breakout we have decided to take entry. So it will be on a longer time frame. Where will be our stop loss? Our stop loss will be at the bottom of the wick. Okay, let okay, and we will be keeping a 1:1 ratio. Okay, so this is how it looks like over here. We have kept it the stop loss at bottom of the wick. The reason is below the wick there will be a change, breakdown in the there will be a breakdown from the trend line. So we have decided to keep our stop loss at this, and we will be looking for a target 1:1 ratio. Now let's convert our chart to a 3 minutes frame and let's see what happened for the day. Okay, so on a 3 minutes chart, our let's see the entry point in a 3 minutes chart. Okay, so let's take a look at the 15 minutes chart. We have taken long position over here and we have kept our stop loss at this point. The reason being stop loss here because below this trend line there will be breakdown, and we'll try for a 1:1 target, and let's convert it to a 3 minutes chart. Okay, converting it into a 3 minutes chart, what we see is this is the 15 minutes where I have seen rejections, 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 and we took at this breakout seeing a longer time frame, and this is the trend line which we have drawn. The exactly at the trend line we kept our stop loss. Okay, and then what happened, trying for a 1:1 ratio, trend was moving up, we have good volumes over here. after the breaking the resistance line, we do have see good volume, and let's see if we have achieved our 1:1 ratio. So actually we have achieved 1.134 risk reward ratio, but ideally we will be looking for just 1:1 ratio, so which was easily achievable at this point. So this was a simple logic. Yesterday I have analyzed the stock selection, three simple reasons for stock selection that was told yesterday, because we did see bullish candle, support lines, breakout, horizontal breakout, and then we tried for a 1:1 ratio. We converted it into a smaller time frame, and we achieved a 1:1 ratio. So yesterday we talked about the stock, and today it worked out well. So this was simple setup and logic for the day. So keep supporting guys, like guys, and next video will be in the next week. This week the videos are over, so from next week we'll again do some analysis and come up with new good videos. So enjoy the weekend. Bye.